Hello everyone, this is James with First Updates Now, checking in at the Gitchi-Gummi Get Together here in Minnesota with Team 9999, Team Koops. They got a sleek cube shooter robot, and to tell me more about it, we got Carter and Kyle here on Behind the Bumpers.
Your destination for first content, updates, and gaming.
Welcome to the fun.
Fun is continuing to grow and looking for new ad partners for the 2024 season. If your organization has a positive message to spread to our over 250,000 unique viewers, go to firstupdatesnow.com/contact to get more information.
All right, Carter, why don't you tell me a little bit more about why this team exists and who are these people?
So we're a group of 5 interns that work at Koops Automation. We are alumni from the 1st and Michigan District from Team 85 Bob, 107 Team Robotics, and 3357 the Comets. The idea is that Koops Automation has been a supporter for FIRST for a long time now, and we want to improve the visibility of Koops Automation in the FIRST program and improve the impact that we have on the FIRST robotics community.
That's really cool, Carter. I'm glad this team can exist like that and serve a cool purpose. Can you tell me a little bit more about your robots and the cool things you've done with it?
So we took inspiration from Team Robotics and Team Midnight Inventors from their pivot robot this year. It's just a cube shooter. So the cube rolls in here. Actually, it starts from the back end over here. So it sucks in the cube there. We have a chain running down here to this 90-degree gearbox. A lot of issues that we had throughout the season were, finding parts and stuff. So we did a lot of custom parts that otherwise we could have bought off the shelf. So then it comes up to this main pivot here, really, really simple, through bore encoder up there, and then just off to this arm here, intake. There's one Neo on either side that runs the top rollers and the bottom rollers. It's a 2-to-1 gearbox, or 2-to-1 ratio with pulleys. And then once we can move on to the drivetrain probably. Okay, gotta move the arm up, Kyle. Yeah. Down here to the drivetrain, we took a lot of inspiration from Team 3357, the Comets tank drive. Really, really sleek. 2 bolts here, and then 1 bolt up here. We'll take off this whole drivetrain panel. So that's really nice. We have a 1/4-inch stainless steel belly pan down there. And we have a gearbox on either side with 2 Neos, and it's a 4-to-1 gear reduction. So this thing absolutely cooks on the field if it doesn't brown out. And then last main feature over here, we call this our Koopa Troopa. This basically just goes down when we're about to shoot over the charging station so that we are considered inside of the community. And we put Koopa Troopa on it because that is our robot's name, Team Koopa Troopa.
Very cool, Carter. Thanks for all that information. Kyle, I've heard you guys have some pretty impressive autons and programming features. Can you tell me a little bit more about that?
Yeah. So we use a lot of sensors on the robot. One of the big things is the beam brakes that we have here in the intake. So when the cube is intook, it breaks the beam, and then we know we have a cube. So that's one of the biggest advantages, is because once we have a cube, the driver doesn't have to click any buttons. It automatically goes back to the home position. And it's also helpful for autonomous mode too, because we can drive until we have a cube, and the auto intake will know we have a cube, and then it will proceed to scoring. We also have, NavX for navigation, things like that. But main autonomous features are we can drive straight and to a set distance, and then do arc turns at a set radius and angle. We currently have a 3-piece auto on both sides of the charge station and both sides of the field, and took a lot getting there, but I think we've got a really good product here. We used a trapezoidal motion profile on the arm to set it to position to make sure that the motion is nice and fluid, because it's kind of heavy. I think that kind of covers the programming aspect of things. It's a pretty simple robot to program. So.
Very cool, Kyle. Koops Automation, thank you so much for taking the time to talk to us. Awesome robot, and best of luck the rest of the day here at Gitchi-Gummi Get Together. Thank you for everybody for watching Behind the Bumpers, and have a great day.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay up to date on our new videos. Keep the conversation going and provide your input to our content. Watch our live shows at twitch.tv/firstupdatesnow. Join our Discord at discord.gg/firstupdatesnow, and check out Fun FTC on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and First Updates Now on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter.